Hey everyone, Dave Menz, Laundromat Millionaire here in Cincinnati, Ohio. My family and I, as some of you know, have been out of town, so we didn't do a 2-week update, so this is going to be about a 3-week update. But we're going to take a look around and show you some of the progress that was made while we were out of town. So you'll notice on the wall here that was all covered in like a brown paneling. It's all been stripped back. And there was bracing on the outside of the dryer curtain wall that deleted the dryer curtain wall, so we had to move the bracing from the inside. So they moved that to the inside, so they'll be able to insulate and finish this. You'll see that the floor is completely demoed now. They've cut up all the old tile. And if you take a look all the way back here in the corner, you see that this whole back area has been removed. If you remember, there was a concrete trough here, which still part of it is still here. And there was two small bathrooms here that were on the block wall. See if I can give you a little light and come back here. And this was the back side of where our milliners were. I don't know if that light's helping at all or not. Looks like we got the Bobcats out of here. We're done with the majority of or all the major demo. And we still got our scissor lift back here. And the reason we got the scissor lift back here is if you look up, they've actually already sanded and primed and painted the ceiling. So you see all the demo is completed, all the conduit is out of here. That's what the exposed ceiling is going to look like. That's roughly a 20-foot ceiling. And we're painting it a black. So you'll see that that's all finished. And then over this way, this is where there was an office here and an office here. And those have both been completely removed and demoed. And this wall has to remain because there's electric panels on the back side of the wall. So that'll stay there and we'll have to blend these two together. Probably come across here and come across this way. And this area back here is most likely going to be like our kids' play area. So that'll be pretty cool. But if you remember, last time we did an update, there was all kinds of piles of debris over here. That's all been cleaned up. The doors have all been stripped out. We ended up filling up 6 30-yard dumpsters of debris, which is kind of crazy to think about. And so all of that has been taken away. Now we just have about a third full dumpster out there just for regular old construction debris. But you can see everything is completely demoed. Let's go over to this side. And you'll see that this is completely clear. The only thing that's left is some old block that I asked them to save some of the best block. And I asked them to do that because this block wall, there's a couple doors here that we're probably going to end up filling in. So we'll be able to repurpose that block. But if you look up here, even the ceiling up here, it's all been completely primered. They pressure washed it all, they sanded it all, and then they primed it and painted it the black. So you'll see that. And if you remember this boiler room area has been completely demoed. So everything that was up high has all been removed for the most part. There's a few little pieces that have to be taken out. But other than that, they've made quite a bit of progress while we were out of town. So I'm pretty excited about that. So anyway, that's our update for, I guess this is going to be week 3. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care.